video.
Hi guys. Today
Kyle.
wildlife. Uy, kasi we're wild. Ah. Uy, mas sweet girl lang kasi blush and nagboto. Cute nga eh. Mas sweet girl lang.
Good job, mom.
Yung dami.
Ay, ang pretty. Ay.
Ganda-gandahan.
Siyempre, hindi lang.
Hindi lang pa.
Batak story.
Ate girl. Ay, ang pretty.
Pagod.
Pagod. Sila Tito, Vivid. Vivid.
Hi, Dusa. Very bibadubi ang atake ni girl.
Ano?
Very bibadubi.
Bea Badudi. Bea Baduday.
Bea Duday.
Look, guys. Siya lang yung sister namin.
Ang sweet looking na. Ay, perfect. Ay, ang ganda nito. Like parang portrait. Slay.
Hi. Look at the view.
Tangy, where are we?
Hi! Hindi kasi tangi, si tang ina ka.
Pretty pa ako, guys.
Yeah. But you're not really as weird.
Fuck you, bitch.
Look at this guys. Come on, come on. Door. We're in wildlife kasi we're born to be wild.
Si ate girl.
Ito na yung dibo ko.
I want a prenup, pero like in DG cam.
Ay! Wait, that's cute.
Diba? Like it's giving vintage.
It's giving sana mamatay na. Ay!
Ate, wag ganyan. Oh, hello. I think they're newlyweds.
Oh, that's so cute, guys. Sana all. Vivid. Look at the building. Look at guys.
I don't move down here again.
Ay, kaki, David! Ang ganda. Tara.